Accenture is hiring freshers for AI/ML role, and you don't need prior AI/ML work experience. Just a solid Python fundamentals. If you're a 2025 or 2026 graduate, this is genuinely worth applying to. Let's break down exactly what the role needs. So, the company obviously it's Accenture. Designation AI/ML Computational Science Associate. The location it's in Pune, and the qualification required for it is BE or BTech. You can also be an MCA or MSc Computer Science graduate too. Experience required for it is 0 or 1 years. Freshers and recent graduates specifically encouraged to apply for this role. Internship or academic project experience in Python is preferred but not mandatory actually. So, what you will be expected to do in this role is this role sits within Accenture operations, working with development teams or on real applications. It's not just theory. Your day to day would include developing, testing, and maintaining Python based applications and scripts. You will be assisting in building REST APIs and backend services, supporting automation and process improvement works too, working on data processing, reporting, and analytic solutions. So you'll be participating in code reviews and following code standards too. So the collaborating with cross-functional teams and documenting your work is all what you'll be doing in it. Basically, you had get exposure to cloud, data engineering, AI, and modern development practices. So it's a generally well-rounded starting point for a tech career, not a narrow role. So, how to stand out in this role? Project experience with Django, Flask, or Fast API would be better. So, if you have exposure to Pandas or NumPy for data work, that would actually make you stand out. So, basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you have any hands on time with Azure, AWS, or GCP, that would be fine. AI/ML concepts with and automation scripts, so you'll also be required some sample projects like chatbot or a data visualization dashboard. You'll also have an API you built yourself. So if you have built even one small project matching any of the skills, a simple Flask app would work, data analysis notebooks, or a basic chatbot. Put it front and center on your resume for this one. So, how to apply? Highlight Python projects specifically, even personal or academic ones would be counting. So, mention any relevant certifications in Python or cloud, data analytics, or AI if you have them. The listing explicitly calls these as an out of advantage. I'm telling you again. So, be ready to speak to OOP concepts and basic DSA if you have reached an interview round. Currently, I'm highlighting all the skills which you'll be requiring, such as data structures and algorithm, SQL, database concepts, REST APIs, Git version control software, development life cycle. As I said, it's an all-round role, and you'll be getting a lot of experience in it if you start working in it. It's a good career starter for you. They have mentioned qualifications, location, and additional information which we have already discussed. So and then again the collaboration with cross functional teams, which we have discussed already. You'll be getting a lot of knowledge if you start working in it. So you can apply directly through Accenture's official careers page. I have provided the link, it is in the description, so you can apply directly through that. So important notices you can read over here if you have any specific understanding over this. The location is in Pune. So it's a good kick start for your career. So I'll show you how to apply for this role. First, you need to click on the apply for this job, and they'll be asking for specific information which they require. If you already have an account, you can just log in through that and fill all the required information which they ask for. Start a new application